And a 1984 GMC 2500 Sierra Classic, 4-wheel drive for sale. It's a one-owner truck. My great uncle Larry bought this brand new in '84. I believe he ordered it like this. Well, not with a dent, but I believe it has a little over 313,000 miles on it. It's got the 6.2 diesel, and I believe it's got a turbo 400 transmission. I believe this is the second engine that it's had. It was a new Jasper engine, and I believe it's the third transmission. And the transmission rebuild only has about 30,000 miles on it. We haven't had it running yet this year, but it was running in the fall and should start right up. We just haven't had a chance to charge the batteries yet. Like I said, it's a one-owner truck. My great uncle's the original owner. You can see, needs quite a bit of love. Needs a lot of body work, but it's a standard cab, 4-wheel drive. And sure could make a cool restoration project. We've just used it as a fuel truck out here at the farm for the last several years. I do know that the spider gears in the rear end are bad, and so he leaves it in 4-wheel drive and lets the front end do the driving. Let's look at the odometer here. Sorry, woo, about dropped the camera. Let's look. 13,067, and he thinks that's rolled over 3 times, so a little over 313,000 miles. All this stuff will be cleaned out, of course, but he's asking 5,000 or best offer. And if you're interested, leave a comment and you can give him a call. Take this thing home and restore it back to new.